channel.
Hi guys, welcome to our channel. If you're new here, this is FambaMNY and thank you guys for joining me. So for today's video, I will be making snowflake and it's made of mostly white. So we'll be using 5 inches balloon. This is white latex balloon and this one is also 5 inches. So all the colors, sizes, and materials we'll put in the description down below. Please check that out. So ideally, we will be using a Quicklink balloon right here. So the only problem, this balloon that I have, the Quicklink balloon, is too big. So as you can see, if you inflate this, this is how it looks like that. You tie this here and then this can connect to the other balloon. So it's a Quicklink balloon. For this particular video, I want a smaller snowflake, so this would be too big, so it's not gonna work. So we will be using 5 inches balloon. So the only problem that I don't have the Quicklink balloon on this size. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna do our own, like a DIY. You're gonna use if you don't have the material, so we will do it this way. So first you inflate your 5 inches balloon, just so it'll stretch the material. So as I said, this is not a Quicklink balloon. So release the air, and then you'll have your 260Q. Just tie a knot or more than one knot. So just like this. So the tip of your balloon, you will cut this. So now this one, we'll put this inside your 5 inches balloon. Let it drop inside your balloon. So now it's all the way to the bottom, okay? So we'll put this here. We will make a knot on your 260Q. Hold it like this. Grab the tip of your balloon so it'll be like that. Put it right here. And then we'll tie. And make another knot. So just like that. And we'll cut this off. So this is what it looked like, guys. Just like this. So now we will inflate this. So we will inflate this to 4 inches. So this would be 4 inches or 10.16 centimeters. So just like that, guys. So this would be your link balloon. So you grab another 5 inches balloon. We'll inflate this to 3 inches or 7.62 centimeter. That would be this. Now you're gonna have this one and then link it to your balloon. So just tie it together. I'll double knot and then just cut the excess. So now we'll grab 2 5 inches balloons. You'll inflate this to 2 inches or 5.08 centimeter using our balloon sizer. So now you have this one right here, just pinch it in the center and then you twist, making sure that they're the same size on each side. So I'll put this here for now. We'll make the other side the same. Pinch and twist. So now you have two. So twist that. So now it looks like this. Okay, guys. So you'll put this in the center of your balloon where you linked, and then the excess, put it right there. Just wrap it around. So just like that, now they're connected. Okay, guys. So now you will make 6 of this. Alright guys, so now I have all 6 of this. So now we'll inflate another balloon. So you need 12 of this. So we'll inflate this to 3 inches or 7.62 centimeter. Right there. And then you tie it like that. So now we have a lot right here. So I already inflate them all. So now we will attach this. So you need total of 12. So now connect this to so it will look like this. Okay, put this on the side. Do the same thing on the other side, and then just twist them all together. Put this on the side for now. So now we have this 2 right here. This is 5 inches filled with confetti, silver confetti. So we'll inflate this a little smaller. So this is 3 inches. We'll make it a little smaller, so 2.5. Okay. And then I will Alright guys, so now we have this 2 right here, the static. So I rub it on my hair and it stays there. So now we'll put this on the side. So now we will connect this as well. So connect. There. And then just put this here as well. And twist. So you'll have this like that. So to keep it this way, we will need our balloon here. So we'll connect this as well. Like that. We'll put this right on the center. And then we'll put this on top. Just like that, guys. Put it in between. So this is one side. And then on the other side, you'll do the same thing on the opposite side. And there goes your snowflake. I hope you learned something from this video, from this particular blog. And like this, please give us a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't yet, and we'll see you guys in our next video. Thank you guys for watching. Bye!